Hi all, I'm here. Guys, today I would like to discuss with you people on the uh, basic things of the regression testing. I mean to say, if you understand when we are going to do the regression testing, in which position we are going to do, and in which situations we are going to do the regression testing on the product. Imagine that, imagine that the product which we have tested has been moved into the production. Okay, once it is moved into the production, right? So they have posted a lot of defects to you. Imagine this is one position where we have divided the regression testing into different modes. Whenever you are getting the production defects, even though after testing from the product, right? So in that situation, what we are going to do, we wanted to trace all the defects which are coming from the production, and we wanted to see where all are it is impacting. Means we would like to see these production defects. Is there any impact in the other functionality? Means we wanted to do the impact analysis. What is the major functions we need to test because of this defect, right? Because of this defect impact, means this defect got fixed by the developer and it has been come to you. In that situation, we are going to provide a regression testing. See, what we are going to do is we wanted to analyze one defect where all are it is getting impacted. We would like to catch hold of those test cases, and we would like to make sure that those test cases has to be re-executed on the build, so that we wanted to see the functionality which were working earlier very good way, means good manner, and expected result were mapping with the actual result. So we wanted to see the same thing should happen even though after closing the defect which are coming out from the production. I mean to say, whenever we are getting the production defect, we would like to analyze why this defect got leaked out. We would like to do the root cause analysis. Once we confirm that defect got leaked out, it will be posted back to the developer. Developer will fix those defects. Again, it will come back to you with a new release notes for the retesting and regression testing. So what you are going to do in that situation, you would like to do the retest on that particular defect. Then we would like to analyze where all are these functionality, these where all are these closed defect may impact the existing functionality which were working very good manner, well manner in the earlier iteration. So same way we are expecting the functionality should get work even though after closing the defect. So to do that, we are going to do the regression testing, re-execution of old test cases on the new build version. Re-execution, listen carefully, re-execution of old test cases on the new build version after closing the defect. So in that situation, there is a chances of getting the new defect which we wanted to post back to the developer as a new iteration, means next iteration. This is one way of regression testing. Another way is, so when we are going to test the product, right? Imagine that customer has added some more functionality to the existing product. Means we call it as enhancement. Enhancement in the sense what we are going to do, being a project manager, right? They will take the enhancement requirement and they would like to do the estimation. What are the things it is going to impact? How much time it will take to do the regression testing? I mean to say, for example, I'm handling one of the admin module. So admin module totally got changed. What should I do with the old test cases? So I would like to see what are the requirements got changed, how it is going to impact my existing functionality, what are the new test cases I may design, and how I am going to update my requirement traceability matrix, how I'm executing it. So in these situations also, I would like to do the regression testing where the new enhancement which they have added should not impact my earlier functionality where it was working fine. This is the enhancement way. Means requirement got added to the existing functionality. We call it as enhancement. Sometimes they may remove the existing requirement. Means because of the customer expectation, they may remove the existing requirement. In that situation also, I need to delete lot of test cases. Okay, because of removing, right, there is a code modification, there also we will do the regression testing. So totally the intention of tester is to make sure that enhancement, closing of the defect should not impact any functionality, to make sure that we would like to do the regression testing. For example, if I have 7,000 test cases, imagine if I have 7,000 test cases, there are modifications in the code, a defect got closed. If I wanted to do it in manually, it will consume a lot of time for me, lot of time for me. In that situation, I would like to go for automation so that I can design the scripts, I can execute them. So if customer is recommending me to do the test case execution with a different platform, I wanted to go with a Selenium, where it is a platform independent. Means at a time I can execute all my test cases, but still, guys, still I'm telling you, regression testing is one of the most important part of the QA, where it is going to show you the other functionality should not get impact with the modifications of the code, with the closing of the code, with the closing of the defect, and with the enhancement which is coming from the production or production defects, whatever it might be. Regression testing is making sure that the functionality which were working fine earlier should not get impacted. This is how the regression testing works in industries. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you are really interested to do the project work, really interested to do the banking and a ERP product, guys, in the description of the YouTube, there is a link. Just click on that link. You will be back with me. Then we will discuss the further. So how we are going to handle the project, how we are going to work the project. Guys, trust me, theory is no use. Theory, you will get thousands of YouTube. But you need to work on the project. Unless and until you work on the project with the real process oriented things, right, you will not get a confidence. This is the best opportunity which I would like to recommend the people who are really interested to get a good hands-on experience, get a good guidance, where I have been in industries from past 20 years. And you are not only working on testing, you will be working on how to handle the projects also, how to interact with the customers, how to interact with your subordinates, everything you will learn from. So I'm very thankful to you people for watching my videos. See you once again in my next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.